Good morning, everybody. Oh, look at this big. It's actually dry. But kids are done with homeschool, so I came and accompanied Drew at Lowe's. He's got a few things to pick up. We're gonna stop by the cleaners. I am gonna get some gallon Ziplocs too. I just remembered that I forgot to add that to my Walmart order. So I'm just here at the end of the aisle, so I'm not in the way. Drew's over there. There he goes. Looking for some stuff. I will show you one thing that's in our cart already. We saw it at the front of the store. This hair snake. It's like a plastic thing. I've never seen it before, but I got pretty excited seeing it because I'm constantly pulling hair out of the drain. Got lots of hair. So we got two, one for the bathroom and the main bathroom, and one for our room bathroom. So hopefully it works nice and doesn't like break. I can't wait to try this. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look at that. It's the next aisle. Microwave safe. This one's for, well, we need, yeah, it's really for storage, not for freezers for us. Okay, that's what I'll get. It's Christmas time at Lowe's again. Oh, look at all the Christmas trees. Christmas trees are out. And the wreath. It snows for November though. Now we're at Kona Kitchen for a little lunch. We actually came here earlier, but didn't have our Vax cards. So went back home to grab. The Vax card is required. So we went back and came back for lunch. It is a date day. Bye boo! Lunch was delicious. Thanks, baby. Thanks, Kona Kitchen. Okay, y'all, this is my current situation. All these dishes, that's from lunch and dinner together. A messy stove right now. And then I came to fill up my dishwasher, and it looks like the screws came out to where the whole unit comes out. Like the screw's supposed to be in there, I guess. So I'm trying to fix that now.
Hey Google, silence.
Oh my god, I hope this works. Somehow the screws fell out.
See, like that damage?
Yay! It works. I don't know how long. We shall see. So my microwave needs some cleaning up. Okay, so we're gonna use the Angry Mama thingy.
Angry Mama
Majigga, thingamajigga. That. So you can also use just a regular bowl and then put some hot water and lemon. So this thing we usually use, so you'll put water in here and then also squeeze some lemon and vinegar, but I don't like using vinegar because of the smell. So I just use lemon and water. Okay, so on the back of it, it tells you where to put the vinegar at and where to put the water. So I'm just gonna fill it with water and then put some lemon in it. Okay. Squeezing the lemon inside. Making a mess, but I'll clean it up. There we go. And then put it in the microwave. So it has these holes here for the water to basically steam. If I can put it on. Okay, there she goes. Ready to go in the dirty microwave. 7 minutes. And then once that's done, I'll wipe my microwave down. Okay, timer's going down. Okay. And everything should be loose enough to clean. It's just pretty empty and pretty short. Yep, not much water left in there. I'll leave it just in case. It still needs to get more steaming. I'll start wiping this down with a cloth. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out first. Should be nice and easy to clean and take off. Just a wipe. Yep, it's all coming off. Yeah, so you could basically just do this also with just a bowl, microwave safe bowl, and water and lemon. Do the same thing. But since we've had the Angry Mama little product thing, that's what we've been using. Look at that. Just wipes off. Since we've steamed everything and it loosened everything, it's not sticky anymore. And the top. Yep. That. All just coming up. Okay. Nice and clean, guys. Look at that. It's just a wipe. And then I actually just took the plate and washed it. There we go. Alright. Yeah. Alright, it's nice and clean. I'm gonna make Drew some. Hold on, this is bugging me. Let me wipe this down. Let's grab some Clorox wipes. Let's wipe that down. This is our chest freezer. That is downstairs in the garage. Okay, much better. I'm gonna make Drew some lunch to take to work. I know that I have chicken in there somewhere. There it goes. See it. I'm gonna make some chicken wings. Okay, I did make some roasted broccoli for lunch, and there's a good amount left, so I'm going to pack that up for his lunch. Air fry these. I've never air fried them before, but I'm going to air fry them, and then also air fry some, crinkle cut fries. That's what I'll pack for Drew to take to lunch today. Let me figure out what I need to do. Air fryer. Crispy wings cook up nice and crispy in the air fryer. Please refer to your air fryer manual for specific heating instructions. Okay, so taking chicken wings, and I'm just gonna do a single layer. It says 15 minutes at, what do you call that? 380. Oh, you know what? I forgot to preheat my freaking air fryer. Hold on, let me preheat it first. I did just use it and wash it again, but let me preheat it. Okay, so we are gonna turn it on, preheat for, no, 380. Preheat to 380. Start. Okay, 5 more minutes. Okay, now it is preheated. Take it off of preheat, put it to 380. I'm going to put in a layer of chicken. So I watched on YouTube that the trick is to make sure it's just a single layer. Okay. There's a single layer right there. I'll put that in for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. There we go. Okay, 15 minutes is up. Let's give it a check. Wow, they're so pretty. Look at that. Wow, it looks so juicy. Okay, cool. I'm gonna make one more little batch, and then I'll be ready to make the fries that will go with this. Okay. Wow, that feels good. They're so pretty. Actually, I think that's enough. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the fries in now. There's that, and we're gonna put it in for 5 minutes. It's already preheated, and I'm gonna do it at 375 for 5 minutes. Okay, where's my tongs at? Okay, I think we can afford to go 5 more minutes. It's not preheat, so. Okay, it's almost ready. Let's see. Much better. So I've got Drew's broccoli in there. I'll add the fries in this. There it is. Okay, so here is what I'm packing for Drew for his lunch. The chicken wings that you guys saw me make, some fries, and roasted broccoli. And then I'm gonna just send this with him, the no sugar added barbecue sauce for dipping. Okay, I'm gonna do some laundry right now.